In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Markup Tool on Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then head over to some web page. Once we are at a web page, we can use Markup Tool to draw on that web page. To activate Markup, tap at Share, then scroll down until you find Markup, and once you tap on it, it will give you a bunch of different options how you can draw on that page. So down below here we can find different tools. The first one is marker. We can activate it, and after that we'll be able to draw over that page with our finger. The second tool is pencil. The third one is highlighter. Next tool is eraser. We can use it to erase our drawings in that way. Also, we have selection tool here. We can use it in that way. Also, there is a ruler that helps us to draw straight lines. We can position it by dragging it and rotating it with the two fingers. And then we can select any tool, let's say highlighter, and that's how we can draw perfect straight line. Let me draw horizontal line. By the way, if we tap at the tool that is currently active, we can configure it a bit, so we can change the brush size here at the top, and also we can change transparency. At the right bottom corner we can also find that circle, and by tapping on it we can select different color. We can select it from grid in that way. Also, we can select it from spectrum. Just tap at any place of the screen to select the color. And also we can configure color by using sliders. Just drag it left or right to get the color you need. Right here it is showing us hex color code, and also we can paste there any code. We can basically enter it manually in that way. Once you have selected a color, you can continue drawing with that color. There is one more tool here. It is crayons. We can select it and use it as well as any other tool. Also, in here, if we tap at that plus button, we'll be able to add sticker. We can select any emoji to place it on our PDF file. If we tap right here at three dots, we can cut it, copy, duplicate, or delete. Also, in here, we can find a text tool that will place a text box here. So then we'll be able to enter here any text. Also, with that tool we can change text size. We can change it by dragging that slider or by tapping at that buttons plus and minus. Also, we can change text alignment, text font, text style, bold, italic, underline, and strike through. And also we can change color in the same way as we did that before with drawing tools. Then Also, in here, we can find add signature feature and shape feature. So in that way, let's say we can easily add arrow and then we can easily place it with quite good accuracy. Then, once we are done with that, to save that PDF file, we just need to tap Add Done, and then it gives us two different options, Save File To and Delete that PDF. To save file, tap right here, and then select a folder where you would like to save it. I'm just gonna select on my iPhone. I'm gonna save it to that directory. Before saving, we can edit file's name. And then to save the file, tap Add Save. After that, to find that PDF file, we need to open up Files app. That is official Apple application. You can easily find it using search. Just swipe down at any place on your home screen, then search for Files. That's how you can easily find that app. It is installed by default on any iPhone. Then just open it up. Then head over to a folder in which you have saved your document, and that's where, as you can see, located the PDF file that I've created. That's how you can easily use markup feature on your iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.